Ready to give your iPhone a connectivity boost with eSIM? Let's dive in and make it happen. Step 1. Get connected. Find a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network to kickstart our eSIM adventure. After all, it's all about starting the right way. Step 2. Time to head to your iPhone settings. It's like mission control for all things eSIM. Now, let's add some digital magic. Step 3. Select Add eSIM and prepare to take your iPhone to the next level. Step 4. Whip out the QR code and scan away. Unlock a treasure trove of digital possibilities. Step 5. Boom. Activate your eSIM and watch your iPhone transform right before your eyes. Step 6. Keep the momentum going. Hit continue and let's keep this digital adventure rolling. Step 7. Choose primary for your cellular data. Your eSIM is officially on board. And prepare to rule the digital world. Your eSIM is officially on board. Step 8. Go to settings and flip the data roaming switch to on. Your eSIM is ready to shine. Go SIMless with ZSIM Switch today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zetaxa Global.